This is AJ Handyman. Today we are looking at some cabinets here. We're actually refinishing these cabinets. And what we like to do is take a piece of sandpaper. This is a 220 grit. Now these cabinets have a light coat of polyurethane on them. They're not bad at all. All we're wanting to do is take off that top layer. What I like to do is go right in here and go in circles. Get that top coat off, okay? Go right here, get your edges real good. I've already been working on this one for a few minutes. What we like to do is, like to see that white. When you start seeing that dust come up on there like that, that's good. That's what you want. Good. Stick them in there. Nice and tight. That's real good. Edges real good. Grab one more and do your final wipe. And this will ensure you've gotten everything cleaned out of there. Okay. Remember, we don't want any grease on this at all. And so by doing it, cleaning that 3 times is what we have found the ideal number of times needed to make sure these doors are ready to go. All right, guys. Until we shellac, bye-bye for now. AJ Handyman. All right, guys, this is AJ Handyman checking back in with you guys. We are getting ready to shellac prime these doors, okay? Now, if you look over there, I have this sprayer all set up with the shellac primer. And on here, I got my this should be a 310 nozzle. It's a FFLP 310. Great for doors. What you want to do is get your sides first. Okay? And then I don't want to get runs in them. Try to do 2 coats and be done with them. I do 2 coats on them, guys. Light coats. very light. Don't go heavy. So go nice and light. If you go light, you can always make it right. It's the name of the game. Go light, make it right. Go light, make it right. If you go heavy, you're going to be spending a lot of time trying to fix it. Welcome to AJ Handyman. Today we are going to paint our cabinets. Yesterday we went ahead, did 2 coats of shellac primer. As you can see, it came out wonderful. Okay, these were wood. We're using emerald. This is a urethane trim enamel. It should be a latex, and this is a really good paint, guys. They really did a good job with this emerald stuff. Great for cabinets. Okay, I like to keep my paint wrapped up. I like to turn off my sprayer. These were wood grain. Okay, and now we are turning them to white. The shellac primer is all dry. What I like to do is go through with the 220 sandpaper and look for any imperfections in the primer. If there's any hair, anything that's possibly in there that shouldn't be, any roughness, as you can see there's a little speck of hair in there, just go ahead and sand that out. Do your edges, get your furry buns out of there, okay, from the rag. If you use a cotton rag, a lot of times you have some of that on there, but for the most part they're good to go. They came out great. I like to go ahead and get out any dust. I still see a little speck here. What we do is just do a light little sand on there. Don't mind that pubic hair in there. Okay. And we are good to go. What I like to do is take my sprayer. I start, get the edge. Get the edge. Remember, light coats. I don't mind doing 3 coats. What I can't stand is having a run, okay? So you want light coats, just like this, okay? Turn them, just like that, guys. This is done, okay? We come back, do a second coat on it, and this would be good to go. Let's try another one. A little bit. I see a little bit of specks of dust on there, so I'm going to take my sandpaper, just knock them smooth, okay? You don't want to do heavy sanding on them. All we're going to do is get any specks out of there that we don't want. Sometimes your edges, again, okay? Just like that, okay? Sometimes you might get something in here, knock it out, take your air gun, gently blow them out, okay? Remember, sides first. Okay, get your back. Get your front. Any imperfections in this, you can sand out on the second coat. Grab another one. Look at it. Make sure it's all nice and clean. Spray your side, spray your front, your other side, the top and bottom. Go light, guys. We're not wanting to get a whole bunch of paint on here. What we want to do is have a nice coat. Okay. Let's try another one. Same thing. You see up here, you look real close. There's a little bit of furry stuff on there. Get your edges real good. Okay. Edges. Just a little bit of hair in here. I do have an air purifier in here, but for whatever reason, it doesn't always get everything out of that air. That there is a nail. Okay, I can't do anything about that. That was there before, it's going to be there now. Spray your edge. Spray your edge. You want to move quick when you spray, guys. You don't want that to be piled up on there. You don't want to get real thick and heavy. That is not the name of the game. Thin coats. If you miss something, get on the second coat. Alright guys, this is AJ Handyman here. We are on our final coat. We are getting ready to spray them. I got everything all, they're all dried up. Now again, I'm going through, I'm looking for any imperfections, okay? Anything at all that might cause it to have a blemish, which blemishes we don't want. Take your spray nozzle, your sprayer. Turn it around. Okay. And then do your final coat. Okay. Just like that, guys. That's all it is. Okay. And try not to go back over it at all. Once you're done spraying it, be done with it. These to look nice for the customer, take your time with them, okay? Kind of went backwards on this one. I didn't get my edges, so what I'm going to do is I get my edges now. Okay. Edges look fine. Beautiful. Grab another one. Grab your sandpaper. Get out any imperfection. Okay. As you can see on there. Okay. Take your air gun. Spray it. Remember, sometimes I forget, always get your sides, bottom, okay, top, get your back, okay, get your front. There you have it, guys. All right, guys, that's AJ Handyman. That's a wrap on this cabinet job. If you look over here, they're all done. Tomorrow, we'll go ahead and get them all wrapped up and sent over to the customer. Guys, have a beautiful day, and God bless.